like everything.
Hello, cleaners! Welcome to our empty tiny house!
To our empty tiny mouse.
Mainit daw ba?
Let's talk about love.
This is our home. We've got every generation.
What?
Tiny house.
Slingy house. Oh, that's for our Antipolo home.
Okay guys, so for today's vlog, i-tour namin kayo sa aming empty tiny house. It's not a container house, it's actually a prefab. Ano?
Prefabricated house.
So yun, i-tour namin kayo. Tapos siguro para mas maganda, i-share namin sa inyo ano yung mga nagustuhan namin about it and also yung mga medyo kailangan ng improvement o yung mga part na hindi namin masyado nagustuhan.
Let's go!
So basically guys, this is an 18 square meter house. Ang measurement niya is 6 meters by 3 meters. Come on.
I like everything.
Everything outside first, specific.
Outside, I like the interior. I know.
Outside guy. Okay, sige ako. I like
Plastic.
Okay, I like guys na yung bintana nila is may grill ng kasama.
Plastic.
'Di ba? Grills, grill ba? Grills. O basta yung harang. And it has what? One window plus another one here.
Look at them.
Mamaya sa loob. Oh.
I like the color.
Okay.
The mere fact that it's white.
Tapos I also like the fact na meron ng screen yung bintana. So what else do you like about sa labas?
Well, ako gusto ko lang na simple lang siya. So simple, gusto ko yung makinis tingnan,
Okay.
malinis tingnan.
Pero guys, abangan nyo sa mga susunod na vlog kasi papaayos pa natin itong harapan. So may mga plano na kami rito para fully, ano talaga siya, functional and aesthetic talaga. And if you have comments kung paano namin pagandahin itong labas, let us know in the comment section. We're so open for suggestions. Tapos, itong door, mapaki-close, papakita sa kanila. Sige, close muna. Ayan, yung steel door. I like that it's made of good materials also. Ayan, tapos maganda rin tong doorknob is also of good quality. Tapos yung door jamb is also good. It's made of steel. Okay, now, open!
Welcome to our tiny house!
Okay, isa-isa natin. When you get inside, ang makikita ay mga batang malikot. Hi! Okay, dito muna tayo. In this corner, is
weighing 100.
what's in here? Ito guys, by the way, yung location ng pinto tsaka ng mga bintana, we're the ones who decided kung saan sila ilalagay. So to maximize, ito yung naisip kong position ng pintuan. Sa likod niya is the
Mini kitchen. It comes with a prefab house. Kasama siya sa package namin.
Wait lang, pakita natin. So yan, meron na siyang
May kasama na siyang Kongka gas stove. Tama, no?
gas stove, yes.
Na 2 burners. Tapos, although we don't plan to use it kasi hindi kami magluluto masyado.
Okay, and then cabinets.
Cabinets dito. Maganda na actually.
Which we will use as our
storage.
pantry.
For the food pantry.
Ayan.
So, ayan. Nagustuhan ko actually na may partitions na siya. Kaya ready to use na rin siya. So, there. Dito, may mga kalat lang. Basta may another storage dyan. Yeah, meron din tayo sink. Maliit
Very tiny sink.
So, maliit lang. Good for hand washing and yung mga konting hugasin.
Yeah, so hindi lang to empty house tour. Ano pa, dirty house tour pa. Ito, supposedly pala guys, nakalubog to. Nakabaon dito. Pero kami nag-request na hindi na kasi wala kaming balak magluto dito. So we will just give this to mama probably and then we'll just put here a microwave.
Meron din siyang kasamang CR, which is actually big enough na and functional. So, di ka
Yan na yun. What I like about this is effortless. Sumasa na siya. Bito mo, mami. Ayan, oh. Doon. Yun na siya.
Pero gusto ko ipakita yung interior ng CR. Kasi
Oh,
natutuwa naman ako dahil meron na siyang salamin.
Wait lang, may salamin.
May salamin na siya. May towel dryer na siya or towel hanger. Tapos meron na rin siyang hindi naman kaliitan. Tamang-tamang size lang na toilet. Tapos meron na rin siyang sink dito. Tapos meron na siyang shower and bidet.
Tapos ito, I like this. It's practical. Hindi siya yung babasagin na sink.
Yeah.
Plastic lang ata siya. Okay, so next is
Your turn, Daddy.
oh, ito na guys. Ang maganda dito, pagpasok mo sa pintuan, di ba? O, di pumasok ko sa pintuan, o isasara mong ganyan. Tapos, paglingon mo, buong bahay na! Doon yung magiging bed namin. Bed lang siya na mag-work na rin as couch, no? as our couch na may pull out. Tapos dito will be like our living area and study area ng mga bata and pati office ko na rin. Ito na siya.
What I like? Why like a simple small house?
You like it?
It's a simple tiny house.
That's what you
Then
like?
you can roam around.
Yung features na lang, so meron siyang dalawang switch na kasama. 1, 2.
Okay, yung isa pang switch
So,
doon.
kayo bahala kung saan siya gustong ipoposisyon. Meron kasama na rin siyang dalawang ilaw na ganitong itsura. So, standard yan. Ganyan talaga yung pagkakaposisyon sa kanya. And I think it's well enough to light the whole
Sobra.
house.
Actually, hindi natin kailangan ng ring light para mag-shoot dito, no?
Yes, oo.
Yeah.
Meron din tayong dalawang sets nitong sockets na may tigda dalawang saksakan. So, one here beside the CR
And then one here sa living area.
yeah, kasi dito namin lalagay TV rack. So, kayo din magde-decide kung saan nyo yan ipoposition. And also, ito, yung pagpapa-install ng aircon.
Sa iba na yan.
Kami na nag-cover dito. Ito, yung flooring pala
Ayan.
Kasama
Okay.
ito actually linoleum to.
Pero thick one. Hindi siya yung manipis na linoleum.
Yes, but makakapal na linoleum siya, so good quality. So that's part of the package.
Okay.
And what else, Daddy? Yung electrics, yung mga ganito, yung wiring and all that, they also covered the installation of that.
Kaya hanggang yung sa may,
breaker.
hanggang sa breaker. Yes?
Dad, and joy has passed. We already killed all the plastic on the wall.
Oh yeah, actually.
Actually, the kids-
Said,
Ayan, ayan guys,
The
ayan.
entire walls are actually covered with plastic. So, para hindi mag-reflect or para hindi mag-collect ng alikabok, ginawa namin, tinanggal na namin yung mga plastic.
Pero di pa kami tapos.
Hindi pa tapos. Pero Zed did a lot of work on that. He did a good job removing at least 80% of the plastic. Yan, so nagamit yung energy niya for something that's productive.
Silang lahat, silang magkakapatid. Nagtulong-tulong sila para matanggal lahat ng plastic dyan, guys. I think importante malaman nyo anong material ng floor niya. Ay, mahirap dito. Ito na lang. Ayan, yung material ng floor niya is, ayan no, sabi na parang wood na semento na ewan. Yun. Yun siya. Nakapatong lang yan, guys. Wala yung hindi yan naka-staple or what, or naka-screw. Yun siya. Pero ang galing.
I'm going to collect it.
Yeah.
Okay, tapos,
Yun, I think that's
okay. Sige, now, sabi natin sa kanya, the good and the bad. Okay. So, kids, any feature that you wanna highlight?
Joy in the house. Joy in the house.
Wait lang, boy.
I think I like the lights because when we are shooting, we always need a ring light. But now we don't need a ring light. I think this is enough now.
Okay.
And
You, ate.
Me, I love the comfortability of the house and that we have enough space here.
Okay.
well, I like from the houses the light. It looks like it's a parking light. Like look, it's a long light. And
Okay.
look at the ceiling. It's metal as well.
Okay, yeah. Yung ceiling metal. Yung bubong, guys, hindi ko na mapakita kasi wala akong hagdan, pero may yero din siya doon.
Yan. Another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is yung insulation. Mainit daw ba? Insulation-wise, sobrang okay siya. Kahit tanghaling dapat, hindi mainit dito sa loob ng bahay or presko pa din siya. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin with an aircon or kahit electric fan. Basta bukas yung mga bintana, okay ka na.
How about the overall feels?
Homey.
Homey siya, guys. Actually, parang yung feeling is staycation-like.
Yeah, it's like
No?
a hotel mixed with a condo.
Yeah, yun yung pakiramdam. So this time, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga things to improve na na-observe namin. Yung mga little damages, yung mga, everything. Okay? Para din documentation din kasi hindi pa namin nare-report sa kanila. Yung iba naman, na-report na pala namin and they're willing to go back to fix it. That's one thing I like about the provider naman.
Yes, after sales.
Yeah,
Very
yung after
good.
sales. But I'm not sure lang kung itong mga ibang concerns na meron kami i-address din. Pero yan, we will show you yung mga points of improvement makikita namin sa inyo. Ayan, number 1 na meron, na nakita namin agad would be this. Yan, medyo, syempre guys, hindi naman ganun kamahalan din taga tong product. Kaya siguro ganyan yung quality na tong screen na ginamit. Yan, I hope they will replace this. Sira yung screen. Ayan, since nandito na rin tayo, ito kasi medyo crucial yung mga UP-UP, yung mga dents. Ayan, marami-rami yan eh. May mga bakbak kasi this could cause yung kalawang. Tapos ayan, may mga gasgas dito. Probably, I don't know if it was during delivery. I don't know. Ayan, may mga gasgas. Ay, hindi ba gasgas. Ito, may gasgas dito.
One thing I don't like about this is that when you jump, it's gonna make noise like.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Ito.
And it can break.
Okay. Wait, go.
It's not
Go try.
very strong.
So yan, hindi siya masyadong perfect para sa may mga malilikot na bata. Okay lang yung takbuhan. Sed, come on. Sample, Sed. Takbo ikaw. Okay. So yan, it's so shaky actually. Yan, pag tumatapos. Nahilo na pala. Ayan o. So yung takbong gano'n, medyo manageable pa. Although shaky na nga siya. Yun siya. I think medyo kinulang sa support sa ilalim. Pero okay naman. I mean, kung minimal movement lang naman, like kung nagising ka para mag-CR sa gabi, medyo manageable naman. Pero what kids can do is, try to jump, my boy. Jump. Ayun. Ayan, parang jump ng ganyan, guys. Shaking na yung bahay.
Stop.
Pero matibay naman. I mean, hindi umaramdamang hindi siya matibay. Kaya lang, kung may mga, let's say, TV nakatayo dyan, may mga appliance, parang feeling mo, tataob sila. Although, hindi naman. So yun, hindi kayo masyado makapag-moment ni Mami. Ang programa nito ay rated SPG. So yun. Another thing that they need to improve on would be, syempre, kung mas OC pa sana yung pagkakakabit ng mga ganyan. Ito! Kung sana ma-hide yung ganito. Kasi may nakita akong prefab house na hidden yung mga ganito. Nakatago sa wall. Mas maganda sana siya. Plus, ayan, baliktad. Dapat kasi ito naka-switch off yan. Pero naka-on siya ngayon. Ayan o. Dapat ito, pag pinindot mo ito ng ganyan, doon siya mag-on. Pero doon siya nag-off. Ayan, part of mga casualties during installation. Ito, I hope sana maayos nila kasi naka-UP siya. Nakalubog. So, may mga singit doon. Hindi naman nakapasukan ng insekto. Pero yan. Hindi siya ganun ka-pulido, yung part na yon. Also this. Ayan, makikita mo siya rito. Yan o, may dent siya. Sana ma-push siya paloob para lang hindi masyadong... Although, this is something forgivable naman. Okay lang. Pero kung mas maaayos, mas maganda. Ito, I'm not sure if it's gonna take time lang para lumuwag. Pero mahirap siyang... Yung screen, mahirap siyang iusog. Before yung CR mahal. Medyo... Ayan. Yung breaker. So, hindi lang baliktad yung mga switch. Yung breaker din, pataas yung takip. Boom! Plus, syempre, something to improve. They can cover it with something white para mas maganda. Pero ako na yan. Now, sa CR, ayan, dito medyo may mga hindi forgivable masyado na kailangang paayos, no? Una! Ito. Ayan. Baka kasi mag-cause ng early damage. Yung, ayan, tabingi yung, hindi swabe yung pagkakakabit. Tabingi siya. Ito na yung obvious na hindi okay. Yung, ayan, nakalabas yung bituka ng mga CR. Kasi, ayan, I don't know. Probably, ayun nga, bagong product nila to. Hindi pa sila ganun ka-expert on this. Pero I think this is something that should be fixed. Kasi, di ba, alam naman natin, dapat nakatago yan, yung mga hose na yan. Actually, nakandun pa nga yan dati. Doon nila nilagay. Tapos sabi ko masyadong hindi maganda. Tapos binabala lang nila dito. Hindi pa yun okay. So, sana mapalitan nila. Ayun. Another thing pala is, may exhaust yan, guys. Actually, ito, yung CR, may sariling switch yung ilaw niya. May sariling switch yung fan niya. Dito siya. Kaso, yung fan niya, meron siyang fan dito. Pero dun sa package, hindi kasama yung ventilation hose. So, ang nangyayari tuloy ngayon, ayan, hindi pa namin completely magamit yung bahay, yung fab house. Kasi, ayan yung exhaust fan. So, dapat merong hose palabas doon sa butas. Pero nakakatuwa naman kasi nakiusap kami na butasan nila. And, ito pala, babalikan nila tong part na to. Ito, they committed to this na babalikan nila. Kasi sabi ko, it doesn't make sense na may exhaust fan pero walang hose yung deliver nila. Kasi mangyayari, yung amoy ng CR, papasok lang dito sa loob ng bahay, di ba? Which they understood naman. So, babalikan nila to fix this. Pinapawisan na to, guys. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye!
Bye!